नमस्सर्वेभ्यः।
नमस्ते।
अद्य व्योमसंस्कृतपाठशालायाः रघुवंश प्रक्रमे दशमः पाठः। 12 सर्गस्य 12 श्लोकादारभ्य 14 श्लोकपर्यन्तम् अद्य वयं पठामः। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये वन्दामहे महोद्दण्डदोर्दण्डौ रघुनन्दनौ तेजो निर्जितमार्तण्डमण्डलौ लोकनन्दनौ। एतावता अस्मिन् सर्गे वृद्धेन दशरथेन श्रीरामस्य राज्याभिषेकनिश्चयः कृतः, येन सर्वे पौराः तुष्टाः, किन्तु कैकेयी वरद्वयं पृष्ट्वा शोकोष्णैः पार्थिवाश्रुभिः तस्य अभिषेकसंभारान् दूषयामास इति कालिदासः कथयति। रामः 14 वर्षकालं वनं गच्छेत्, भरतः राजा भवेत् इति कैकेय्या पृष्टं। तत्र श्रीरामः कथम् उभयं समत्वेन स्वीकृतवान् इत्यपि कालिदासेन साधु वर्णितम्। दधतो मङ्गलक्षौमे वसानस्य च वल्कले ददृशुर्विस्मिताः तस्य मुखरागं समं जनाः इति। ततः रामः वनवासं गतवान्। स सीता लक्ष्मणसखः सत्याद् गुरुमलोपयन्। पितुः वचनभङ्गः मा भूत् इति विवेश दण्डकारण्यं प्रत्येकञ्च सतां मनः। न केवलं वनं प्रविष्टः, अपि तु सर्वेषां सज्जनानां हृदयम् अपि प्रविष्टवान् रामः। राजापि तद्वियोगार्तः स्मृत्वा शापं स्वकर्मजं शरीरत्यागमात्रेण शुद्धिलाभम् अमन्यत। रामस्य गमनानन्तरं दशरथः पूर्वतनं शापं स्मरति, यत्र दशरथेन मारितं पुत्रं दृष्ट्वा तस्य पिता शापं दत्तवान् आसीत्, भवानपि पुत्रशोकेनैव मरणं प्राप्नोति इति। तत् स्मृत्वा दशरथः स्वस्य मरणकालः सन्निहितः इति जानाति, तथैव मरणं प्राप्नोति। विप्रोषितकुमारं तद् राज्यमस्तमितेश्वरं रन्ध्रान्वेषणदक्षाणां द्विषाम् आमिषतां ययौ। अधुना अयोध्यानगर्याम् अराजकता समुत्पन्ना, यतः कुमाराः सर्वे राजकुमाराः दूरं गताः। रामलक्ष्मणौ वनवासं गतौ, भरतशत्रुघ्नौ केकयदेशे स्तः। अतः राजकुमाराणाम् अभावे अस्तमितेश्वरं राज्ञः दशरथस्य च मरणे जाते अयोध्यानगरी रन्ध्रान्वेषणदक्षाणां द्विषां, ये शत्रवः अवकाशार्थमेव प्रतीक्षन्ते तेषां आमिषतां ययौ। मांसपिण्डम् इव सुलभतया खादितुं योग्या इव जाता इत्येतावदस्माभिः दृष्टम्। इदानीम् अग्रिमं श्लोकं पठामः। श्रीप्रिया भगिनी।
नमस्ते भगिनी।
अथानाथाः प्रकृतयो मातृबन्धुनिवासिनं मौलैरानाययामासुः भरतं स्तम्भिताश्रुभिः अथ नाथाः प्रकृतयो मातृबन्धुनिवासिनम्
अतानाताः प्रकृतयो मातृबन्धुनिवासिनम् अतानाताः प्रकृतयो मातृबन्धुनिवासिनम्
मौलैरानाययामासुर्भरतं स्तम्भिताश्रुभिः
मौलैरानाययामासुर्भरतं स्तम्भिताशुभिः मौलैरानाययामासुर्भरतं स्तम्भिताशुभिः
सम्यक् पदच्छेदं करोतु।
अत अनाथाः प्रकृत्यः मातृः बन्धुः निवासिनं
मातृबन्धुनिवासिनम् एकमेव पदम्।
अस्तु मातृबन्धुनिवासिनं
मौलैः
मौलैः आनय आनय आनययाम् आनययाम्
आनाययामासुः इति क्रियापदम्।
आनययाम्
आनाययामासुः
ओके अनाययामासुः भरतं स्तम्भिता शुभिः
स्तम्भिता अश्रुभिः स्तम्भिताश्रुभिः। अथ अनाथाः प्रकृतयः मातृबन्धुनिवासिनं मौलैः आनाययामासुः स्तम्भित अश्रुभिः। भरतं मकार we can add. So normal there is savarna dirgha athanathah stambhitashruभिः prakritayo matru visarga converted to utva followed by guna maulaihi anayayamasuhu bharatam visarga converted to repha maulair anayayamasur bharatam. So then what are the Shirisha?
Namaste Bhagini.
Which is the Kriya Pada?
Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Anayayamasuhu.
Anayayamasuhu iti tingantam.
Atha avyayam.
Atha iti avyayam. The rest are all subantas.
अनाथाः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम् अहं मन्ये।
सम्यक्।
प्रकृतयः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं।
सम्यक्। अनाथाः प्रकृतयः both are prathama bahuvachana.
मातृबन्धुनिवासिनं द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं। मौलैः तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं
बहुवचनं। रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः।
भरतं द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं। स्तम्भिताश्रुभिः तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं।
सम्यक्. So very neat shloka, 2 words in prathama, 2 in dvitiya, 2 in tritiya. So we have to just relate. There is a visheshana and visheshya. So anayayamasuhu iti kriyapadam. Anayati, anayayati. To make somebody bring is anayayati. Anayati is to bring. Anayayati in the past tense. Nitlakara. So prompted to bring or made to bring. Agamayan chakruhu iti samanaha arthaha. Agamanam yatha bhavati tatha kritavantaha. Kaha anayayamasuhu prakritayah. Who made to bring? The ministers. So idanim rajye yada raja nasti kumaraha na santi arajakata yatha na bhavati tatha kinkaraniyam iti vasishtha adesham prapya amatyaha dasharathasya amatyaha anayayamasuhu anayitavantaha. कीदृश्यः प्रकृतयः अनाथाः नाथः नाम स्वामी यस्य नास्ति नाम अनन्यशरणाः orphaned those who have lost their master. So they have to take the call because the king is no more. So such the orphaned ministers kam anayayamasuhu Bharatam. So they had to bring Bharata from Kekaya because Ramaha vanavasartham gatavan saha na pratyagachyati tarhi Bharataha anetavyaha iti Bharatam anayayamasuhu. Kidrisham Bharatam Matrubandhu Nivasinam. Who was currently, where was Bharata? Because Kalidasa has not mentioned so far. He tells here, Matula Grihe Vasantam. Matuhu Bandhavaha Matrubandhavaha. At mother's relatives, that is his grandfather, maternal grandfather, and maternal uncle. The person who took Bharata was Yudhajit, Kaikeyi's brother. So who was staying in his maternal uncle's house or the relatives of his mother. So Matrubandhu means relatives of the mother. Bharata was staying there. So Tadrisham Bharatam, Matulagrihe Vasantam Bharatam, Amatyaha Anayayamasuhu. Kaihi Anayayamasuhu. A minister will not go himself. So they sent messengers. And what sort of messengers? Maulaihi. Maula is a very special word which is used by Kalidasa. It is derived from mulya, that is the value. So Maula is that whose value has been well tested, well examined. So in those days, I mean, normal servants, or there are a lot of palace intrigues. So every king would have a few very trusted and tested band of attendants who would be willing to do anything for him. Such people are called Maulaha, Aptaha, Sachivaha. So ministers are in authority. They are, the power, but there are also other lower attendants. They are not there to advise the king. So the ministers are usually in an advisory position, but to actually do the tasks very confidentially, the king had some people. Such people are called Maulaha. Usually they come, through traditions, that is, generations of people who are very close to the king and who are trusted by the king. So that is the meaning, through confidential attendants. So the ministers picked a few people and told them to bring Bharata. And Kidrishaihi Maulaihi Stambhitashrubhihi. Stambhitani Ashruni. Ashru is tears. And Stambhita is controlled or suppressed. Okay, because the intention was not that they go there and suddenly announce that Dasharatha is dead. So they were told to bring back Bharata without telling him anything. So first thing, it is a matter of national security. So they didn't want to create any panic, especially when Bharata was far away. So they did not know how Bharata would react and what would be the reaction of other people. So it was express order that they should not tell Bharata anything, just bring him back. So they could not even show their sorrow. They were all extremely sad because they were very close to the king. So the death of Dasharatha and Rama's going to the forest is very painful. Yadyapi tesham manasi mahad dukkham asit, tathapi ashruni stambhayitva, having suppressed or controlled their tears without giving out anything. Very, that is why the Maula, confidential, they without leaking any, happenings of the city, they bring him back. Bharataha yavat pratyagachyati saha kimapi na janati tathaiva anitaha tathaiva Valmiki Ramayane api uchyate. Ataha atha anathaha prakritayah मातृबन्धुनिवासिनं भरतं स्तम्भिताश्रुभिः मौलैः आनाययामासुः. प्रकृतयः भरतम् आनाययामासुः. That is the base sentence. Ministers made Bharata come maulaihi anayayamasuhu through the attendants. Visheshana to each of them is there. So prakritayaha anathaha, bharataha matrubandhu nivasi, maulaha stambhitashravah. So atha tataha nama dasharathasya marananantaram अनाथाः प्रकृतयः अनन्यशरणाः अमात्याः अन्या गतिः नास्ति. They did not have any other leader. So such ministers मातृबन्धुनिवासिनं भरतं, मातुलगृहे वसन्तं केकयीपुत्रं भरतं स्तम्भिताश्रुभिः मौलैः निरुद्धबाष्पैः आप्तैः सचिवैः आनाययामासुः Agamayan Chakruhu. So then, that is after the demise of Dasharatha, the orphaned ministers facilitated or made Bharata return from where? Bharata, who was living in his maternal uncle's house, through whom? Through confidential or trusted attendants. Okay. There are a couple of questions. Was Bharata not supposed to come back for Rama's coronation? No. Bharata was very far away. It was very far from Ayodhya to Kekaya. He was not invited for coronation. Okay. There are also the Valmiki Ramayana says, Dasharatha himself says, we will tell Bharata later. First thing, he has some premonition. He does not want to push Rama's coronation far away. He also does not maybe want to specifically inform Kaikeyi's relatives. He had something in his heart that there was something to go wrong. So Bharata did not know about Rama's coronation. He was not supposed to be coming back also. Does Matrabandhu mean maternal uncle? I think I explained. Matuhu bandhavaha, relatives of the mother. In this context, it is interpreted as the uncle because it was he who took Bharata. Is Sachiva minister or attendant? It is used for both. Between Amatya and Sachiva, Amatya is more intellectual, advisory ministers. Sachivas are helpers. Basically, the word means those who are willing to do something, that is, who accompany, do things. So it could be attendants. In this context, it is the attendants. It is not the ministers who went. So then, how do we know Matrabandhu Nivasinam is a single word? Identifying samasas is very important. If it is an individual word, it has to have a vibhakti. It should be one among Mata, Matarau, Mataraha, the 21 Shabda forms. Just Matru in the form of Pratipadika cannot be an independent word. Okay. So identifying Samasta Padas is very important. We cannot simply split anywhere we want. Okay. So Bandhu is again only Pratipadika. It does not have a Vibhakti form. Any separate word, unless it is an avyaya, has to have a vibhakti form. There is no word which stays as pratipadika. That is the fundamental rule of Samskrita. Okay. So, agre tatparyam kim? Bharataha matulagriha dakaritaha. Bharata was brought back from his uncle's or grandfather's house through the attendants. So, atra prakritayah, prakriti iti ikaranta strilinga shabdah, like mati shabda. Prakritihi, prakriti, prakritayah. Matrubandhu nivasin is a nakaranta pullinga, dvitiya. So, I've just given nivasinam here. The whole word would be Matrubandhu nivasinam, Matrubandhu nivasinau, Matrubandhu nivasinah. So, like guninam, guninau, Guninaha, Nakaranta, Pullinga Shabda. Maula is akaranta, like Rama Shabda. It is a rare word, but a regular word. So maulena maulabhyam maulaihi. Akaranta pullinga tritiya bahuvachana. Anayayamasuhu. A upasarga with nayi. Nayi is the nijanta form of the dhatu. Litlakara parasmai pada prathama purusha bahuvachana. So asa asatuhu asuhu is one of the common patterns of lit. We saw earlier am with asa asatuhu asuhu, babhuva babhuvatuhu babhuvuhu, chakara chakratuhu chakruhu. So we saw hladayam chakre, chorayam babhuva, anayayam asa. So am, the dhatu ending in am with these patterns should give a clue about lit lakara. So anayayam asa, anayayam asatuhu, anayayam asuhu. Bahuvachana because it is prakritayaha amatyaha. The ministers made him to come. Stambhitashrubhihi maulaihi. So tritiya bahuvachana like guru shabda. Guruna gurubhyam gurubhihi. Stambhitashruna stambhitashrubhyam stambhitashrubhihi. So when we go further into the vrittis, so anayi, as I said, a ni dhatu with nich, nijanta ni dhatu. So anayati is to bring, a nayayati is to make or cause to bring. Katham vakyam maulaha bharatam anayanti. The attendants bring bharata. Prakritayaha maulaihi bharatam anayayanti. The ministers cause the attendants to bring bharata. That is the usage here. Samasaha anathaha na vidyate nathaha yasam taha. It is visheshana to prakritayaha, so strilinga nai bahuvrihi samasa. They who do not have a master or a ruler. Matru bandhu nivasinam. Matuhu bandhavaha matru bandhavaha. Matru bandhushu nivasi. Residing among the relatives of the mother is the literal meaning. Stambhitani ashruni yesham taihi or yaihi te taihi. Those whose tears have been suppressed. Okay. So here there is a very interesting usage of the word prakriti and an illustration of how kosha not only gives synonyms, for special words, it also gives additional information. So if we look at the kosha vakya, swamyamatya suhrit kosha rashtra durga balani cha rajyangani prakritayaha pauranam shrenayopi cha. The word prakriti has two meanings. So prakritayaha, rajyangani, the components of a kingdom is together called prakritayaha, or pauranam shrenayaha, groups of citizens. So normally you may have seen prakritayaha being used as synonymous to people, citizens, etc. That usage is also there. But technically there are 7 components of a kingdom. Sapta rajyangani. Swami, amatyaha, suhrit, koshaha, rashtram, durgam, balam. So these 7 are the essential components of a kingdom. If we look at Kautilya's Arthashastra, there is a detailed discussion on each of these components. Okay, that is the basis or foundation of Arthashastra. So for any kingdom, it is not just the king. So there is a king, he should have certain qualities. There are ministers who should be equally capable. There should be friendly kingdoms. It's not the king alone. So there are alliances. There is the treasury. How much money is there in the treasury? Kosha is actually treasury. Rashtram, how much is the land of the king? Durga, what are the forts and the army, strength of the army. Okay, so together these are referred to as Prakritayah. So in this context, it is this Prakriti of whom Amatya is a component. So Prakriti is not directly just Amatya, everything together. But in the current context, it is the ministers who are taking the decision. Okay, so as you can see, the Kosha gives, it is like an encyclopedia also. So for many special words, it gives the additional meaning. अथानाथः प्रकृतयो मातृबन्धुनिवासिनं मौलैरानाययामासुर्भरतं स्तम्भिताश्रुभिः. Okay, so we will move ahead to the next shloka. There are some other questions which we will see maybe sometime later. R.N. Prasad. Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum. Prasad Mahodaya, cannot hear you. Your microphone, I think you need to check. Shri Kumari Ajit.
Namaste Bhagini. Can you hear me?
Yes. Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum.
Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum. Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum.
Kaikeyi tanayah pituhu.
Kaikeyi tanayah pituhu. Kaikeyi tanayah pituhu.
Maturna kevalam swasyaha.
Maturna kevalam swasyaha. Maturna kevalam swasyaha.
Shriyopyasit parang mukhaha.
Shriyopyasit paragmukhaha. Shriyopyasit paragmukhaha.
Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum kaikeyi tanayah pituhu.
Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum kaikeyi tanayah pituhu. Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum kaikeyi tanayah pituhu.
Maturna kevalam swasya shriyopyasit parang mukhaha.
Maturna kevalam swasyaha shriyopyasit paragmukhaha. Maturna kevalam swasyaha shriyopyasit paragmukhaha.
Can you split the words?
Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum kaikeyi tanayah pituhu matuhu na kevalam swasyaha sriyaha api asit parangmukhaha.
Samyak. Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum kaikeyi tanayah pituhu matuhu na kevalam swasyaha shriyaha api asit parangmukhaha. That is an anunasika sandhi. The rest are all normal. Parak ka is converted to the anunasika of the same varga, parangmukhaha. Okay. Okay. Can you identify the tinganta?
Asit
Asit is the tinganta. Avyayas.
Shrutva na api api.
Kevalam is also an avyaya. Then the rest are all subantas. Tatha vidham mrityum shrutva. So
Tatha vidham akaranta pullinga
vibhakti.
dvidiya ekavachana.
Dvitiya. So tathavidham mrutyum are both dvitiya. Kaikeyi tanayah.
प्रथमा अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथमा
Pituhu.
एकवचनं पितुः ऋकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग षष्ठी एकवचनं
Pituhu is shashti.
पितृ
Matuhu.
मा ऋकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग षष्ठी एकवचनं.
So in this context, Matuhu and Swasyaha Shriyaha are all Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. So Kaikeyi Tanayaha Parangmukhaha are both Prathama. Tathavidham Mrityum is Dvitiya. Matuhu Swasyaha Shriyaha. How do we know? It is purely by context. Because many of the words Panchami and Shashti Vibhakti forms are similar, but based on the relation to other words, we have to decide which one. So here it is Panchami Vibhakti. Pituhu is Shashti Vibhakti. Okay, so these are all interdependent. So if you know the meaning, you can guess the Vibhakti. If you know the Vibhakti, you can link it properly. And only if you can link it properly, you can guess the Vibhakti. Okay, it's like a circle, but as we keep learning, so if there is some help in the initial stages, as we go on, you can start guessing it with greater confidence. So asit, abhavat, was is the kriyapada. Kaha asit, Kaikeyi tanayaha. So the son of Kaikeyi, which is Bharata, Yuvaraja, I will probably remove it. So because he did not accept, so it is just Bharata, the son of Kaikeyi. Okay. So Bharataha asit is the karta. Bharata is the karta for this sentence. Kidrishaha asit parangmukhaha vimukhaha. Literally means with the face turned away. Opposite. Parak is turning away. Mukha is the face. That is, he did not want to even look at is the meaning. Parangmukhaha, turned away. The moment you say turn away, from what is the question? That is why the Panchami. When you say parangmukhaha vimukhaha, turned away, the leading question is from what? So kasyaha parangmukhaha asit. So here Kalidasa says nakevalam swasyaha matuhu. Not only his own mother, Shriyaha api, also from the wealth. So there are two things that Bharata turned away from. The first thing is his mother, because he was extremely angry at her conduct. He did not want either the kingdom or Rama going to the exile or Dasharatha dying. So everything was extremely unpleasant for him. So swasyaha matuhu parangmukhaha asit. He turned away from his own mother. Na kevalam, not only that, Shriyaha api, Rajyalakshmyaha api, even from the kingdom or wealth. He rejects Kaikeyi. He directly says, you are no longer my mother. Okay. Then he also rejects the kingdom. All the ministers, Vasishthadarabhya, sarvepi bahudha vadanti Bharatam. Yat jatam tad bhavatu kintu idanim tu dasharatha nasti ramaha nasti ityatah bhavaneva raja bhavet iti bahudha sarvaihi uktaha api bharataha nangi karoti. He does not agree to take the kingdom. Ataha parangmukhaha asit. Bharata turned away swasyaha matuhu, from his mother. Na kevalam, not only that, Shriyaha api, even from the kingdom or the wealth. Why? What happened? He came. So what happened? Shrutva, akarnya, having heard. Kim shrutva? Mrityum, maranam or the death. So it is not just because Dasharatha died. कीदृशं मृत्युं तथाविधं. So it's a very powerful word. Such death. See, death is natural. Being aged, Dasharatha dying, per se, Bharata is not against it. But tathavidham mrityum. So that indescribably piteous death of Dasharatha. Chakravarti asit, chatvaraha putraha asan, kintu ekopi putraha tasya samipe nasit. Antima kale putram putrasya shokena saha atyantam dukkena maranam praptavan iti karanena. So tatha vidham tadapi matuhu karanena pituhu maranam jatam iti. So tatha vidham literally means such a death. What is such a death? That is death in this manner because of the demands of his mother, which could not be justified. They are against dharma. Dharma viruddham varam Kaikeyi prishtavati tatkaranena Dasharathaha mritaha ataha tathavidham mrityum shrutva Bharataha parangmukhaha asit. So kasya mrityum pituhu mrityum. Pituhu Janakasya Dasharathasya mrityum. Right? So Kaikeyi tanayaha. So the adjective is very powerful. He was the son of Kaikeyi. He is identified as Kaikeyi tanayaha. Kintu matuhu parangmukhaha asit. Punah punaha yatra yatra. It's a very moving scene in the Ramayana. So after this incident, wherever Bharata goes, everybody doubts his intentions. Starting from Kausalya to Vasishtha to Guha to Bharadwaja to Lakshmana. Everybody thinks that he has conspired along with his mother to bring this about. So that is why Bharata totally cut off himself from Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi tanayaha pituhu tathavidham mrityum shrutva na kevalam swasyaha matuhu shriyaha api parangmukhaha asit. So Bharataha pituhu Janakasya Dasharathasya tathavidham mrityum idrisham matrumulam maranam. So because of his mother, death due to his mother, Shrutva Akarnya na kevalam swasyaha matuhu swajananyaha evana shriyaha api Rajyalakshmyaha api parangmukhaha asit vimukhaha abhavat. So having heard about such demise of his father, because of his mother, Bharata turned away both from his mother and from the kingdom. Kim tatparyam Bharataha Kaikeyim tiraskritavan rajyasvikaram api na angikritavan. So he comes back and he does all the karyas for Dasharatha, but he firmly rejects taking up the kingdom. Mrityum, mrityu shabdaha, ukaranta pullinga shabdaha, like guru shabda, dvitiya ekavachana. Mrityum, mrityu, mrityun, gurum, guru, gurun. So pituhu, pitru shashti ekavachana. Pituhu pitroho pitrunam. But matuhu is panchami ekavachana. Matuhu matribhyam matribhyaha. Swasyaha is also panchami ekavachana. So it is a visheshana to mata, therefore in strilinga. So swa, one's own. Swaha pita, swa mata, swam griham. It is a visheshana. Right? So his own. So swasyaha matuhu. Akaranta strilinga. It is a sarvanama shabda. Swa sve swaha. Panchami vibhaktau swasyaha swabhyam swabhyaha. Shriyaha. Shri iti ikaranta strilinga shabda. Panchami ekavachana. Shriyaha shriyaha. Rupadvayam bhavati. Atra tu shriyaha iti upayuktam. Shribhyam Shribhyah. Asit is asudhatuhu lang lakaraha prathama purusha ekavachanantam. Very common dhatu. So Shrutva is a kridanta avyaya. Shru dhatu with ktva pratyaya. So Kaikeyaha tanayaha, Kaikeyi tanayaha. Parak mukham yasya saha, parang mukhaha. It is an akaranta pullinga. So parak means turned away. Mukham is face. He whose face is turned away. That is the literal meaning. Parang mukhaha. It is translated as averse to or turned away from. Tatha vidham. Tatha vidhaha yasya saha. Vidhaha or vidha means type or kind of that kind of mrityu. So tatha vidhaha yasya saha or tatha vidha yasya saha. In both cases, it means that whose way or whose mode was such. Bahuvrihi samasa. So anto nasho dvayor mrityur maranam nidhano striyam. All these are synonyms for death. Antaha nashaha mrityuhu. Okay. Dvayoho mrityuhu. Kosha says dvayoho mrityuhu. Whenever he says dvayoho, it means two lingas, specifically pullinga and strilinga. So mrityu shabda can be used in both lingas, but Kalidasa has used this as pullinga because tatha vidham mrityum. The Visheshana is in pullinga, so it is evident that he has used as pullinga shabda. Maranam is napumsakalinga. Nidhanaha astriyam. So nidhanaha, nidhanam, both are correct. So you can use in pullinga or napumsakalinga. Astriyam, not strilinga, which means both pullinga and napumsakalinga are correct. Shrutva tatha vidham mrityum Kaikeyi tanayah pituhu matur na kevalam swasyah shriyopyasit parang mukhaha. We'll move on to the next shloka. Prakash Mohini Bhargava.
Namaste.
Sasainyashchanvagadramam.
Sasenyashchanuvagadram. Sasenyashchanvagadramam.
Darshitanashramalaihi.
Darshitanashramalaihi. Darshitanashramalaihi.
Tasya pashyan sasaumitrehe.
Tasya pashyan sasaumitrehe. Tasya pashyan sasaumitrehe.
Udashrurvasati druman.
Udashrurvasati druman. Udashrurvasati druman.
Sasainyashchanvagadramam darshitanashramalaihi.
Sasenyashchanvagadramam darshitanashramalaihi. Sasenyashchanvagadramam darshitanashramalaihi.
Tasya pashyan sasaumitre rudashrurvasati druman.
Tasya pashyan sasaumitre rudrashrurvasati druman. Tasya pashyan sasaumitre rudrashrurvasati druman.
Udashrurvasati druman.
Udashrurvasati druman. Sasenyashchanvagadramam darshitanashramalaihi. तस्य पश्यन्
Hmm.
स सौमित्रे रुद्रादश्रुर्वसति द्रुमान्
So can you split the words, please?
ससैन्यः
Sasainyah. Hmm.
च अन्वगात्
Anvagat.
रामम् अन्वगात् रामम् दर्शिता अनाश्रमालयैः दर्शितान् आश्रमालयैः
Hmm.
तस्य पश्यन् ससौमित्रे
Sasaumitrehe.
उत अश्रुः वसति
Udashruhu vasati druman.
द्रुम
Sasainyah. No vasatihi. Just vasati druman is a compound
समास
word. So Sasainyah cha Anvagat Ramam Darshitan Ashrama Alayaihi Tasya Pashyan Sasaumitrehe Udashruhu Vasati Druman. So there are Visarga Sandhis and Jashtva Anvagad Ramam. So here Anvagat is a Tinganta. Cha is an avyaya. The rest are all subantas. Okay. Sasainyah is prathama. Pashyan udashruhu. All three qualify Bharata. It doesn't mention who. Actually, all three are Visheshanas. From the context, it is Bharata. So Sasainyah, Pashyan, udashruhu. All three are prathama. Ramam, Darshitan, Vasati Druman are all Dvitiya. Ramam is Dvitiya Ekavachana. The remaining are Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Ashramalayahi is Tritiya Bahuvachana, like Ramaihi. Tasya Sasaumitrehe is Shashti. So Anvagat, Anvagachat, Anu Agat. So go behind literally, which means to follow. Lung lakaraha, past tense. So followed. Ityarthaha. Kaha Anvagat, Bharataha iti adhyaharaha. We have to supply because it does not mention who. It just describes him, but exactly who he doesn't tell. It is obvious from the context. So Bharataha Anvagat. Kidrishaha Bharataha Sa Sainyaha. Sainya Sametaha. He did not go alone. He went along with the entire army, ministers, Vasishtha, mothers, all three of them. So with everybody he goes. He follows. So Bharataha Sasainyaha Anvagat. Kam Anvagat Ramam. So Bharata followed Rama to the forest with the entire army, with an intention to bring him back. Saha Bharataha Mataram Rajyalakshmim cha tiraskritya Ramam pratyanetum Sainyasametaha vanam gatavan. Iti tatparyam. Kim kurvan Anvagat. Pashyan. So as he goes into the forest, Pashyan, Alokayan, seeing. Kidrishaha Pashyan, Udashruhu. Udgatani Ashruni. So tears are welling up. Right. So this is not swelling, there's a typo. Tears welling up. So that is, he cannot control his tears. Rudan Pashyati. Kim Pashyan Vasati Druman. Nivasa Vrikshan. So Kalidasa, he skips the entire Bharata's journey. So Valmiki describes in great detail. So Bharata, he goes in the same path. Ganga Tiram Gacchati, Guhasya Samipe Pritchati, Tataha Ganga Matitya Bharadvajasya Samipe Pritchati, Tataha Chitrakutam Gacchati. Tatra Chitrakutasya Samipam Agatya Saha Anvishyan Asti. He is looking for Rama. He is looking and he sees only the trees, which means it's a very dense forest. There is nothing there. So seeing his brother, thinking of his brother staying in such a forlorn place, he cannot control his tears. Atayeva udashruhu vasatidruman nivasasthane vidyamanan vrikshan. That is, he has not yet seen Rama. He is just seeing the place. He is nearing the place where Rama lives. He is seeing the surroundings of that place. Vasatidruman udashruhu pashyan. Kidrishan vasatidruman darshitan, which were shown. Kaihi darshitan ashramalaihi vanavasibhihi. So you have to imagine Bharata is going in the forest. He is asking people, where is Rama? Where is Rama? So they just point and say, okay, look, Rama is there. So there, what is there? Only trees. He cannot see Rama, but a vague location of his residence. So Vanavasi Ashramalaihi Darshitan Vasatidruman Udashruhu Pashyan. Okay. So he was shown Rama's residence or the dwelling place by people of the forest who were living in the hermitage. Bharadvajaha vadati Chitrakute iti madhye marge ye ye ashrame vasanti te darshayanti Ramaha astu tatra asti iti tada Ramasya nivasasthalasya samipam gacchati Bharataha yatha yatha samipam gacchati tasya shokaha api atyantam adhikaha bhavati. Multiple things. Father is dead, Rama doesn't know, and the kingdom is in a disarray. Bharata himself is feeling extremely guilty about his mother's behavior. So because of all these things, udashruhu, with tears welling up. Kasya vasati druman tasya, refer to Ramasya, kidrishasya tasya sasaumitrehe. So both Rama and Lakshmana, accompanied by Lakshmana. So Bharata also has this vague thing that Lakshmana was a true brother to Rama. He went with him, but I am left back for the kingdom and considered to be, traitor to the brother. So that is another feeling of Bharata. So Kalidasa, as a poet, every word, it brings to the mind, if we are aware of the context, it brings to the mind why he chooses Rama as Asaumitrehe. Sita, of course, is also there. But here Bharata is comparing himself. He wants to be by the side of his brother always, but now only Rama is with Lakshmana and he has so many other things on his mind. Ataha Bharataha. So now Sasainyaha Bharataha Ashramalaihi Darshitan Sasaumitrehe Tasya Vasatidruman Pashyan Udashruhu Ramam Anvagatcha. So Sainya Sametaha Bharataha Vanavasibhihi Darshitan Nivasa Vrikshan. Kasya Nivasa Vrikshan? Lakshmana Sahitasya Ramasya Nivasa Vrikshan Alokayan Rudan Ramam Anvagachat. So accompanied by the army, guided by the people of the forest, seeing the trees of Rama's dwelling place, Bharata went with tears in his eyes. Bharataha Ramamanetum Vanam Agachat. That is the description of this shloka. So atra padani pashyamaha. Anvagat is lung lakara of in dhatu. Anu upasarga purvakasya in dhatoho lung lakaraha परस्मैपदे प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनान्तम्. It is past tense. Anvagat, anvagatam, anvaguhu. Anu with gachati always indicates to follow or to go behind. Okay. Pashyan, we've seen many times, Shatru Pratyayanta. Sasau mitrehe. So Sasau mitri is a Visheshana to Rama. Ikaranta Pullinga like Hari Shabda. Shashti Ekavachananta. Udashruhu. Ukaranta Pullinga like Guru Shabda. Udashruhu, Udashru, Udashravaha. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Darshita, Darshitan. So, Drishta means seen. Darshita means shown. Drishadhatu with Nijanta Kta Pratyaya. So, the trees were shown to Bharata by the Ashramalayas. Pashyan is Shatru, Drishadhatu with Shatru Pratyayanta. Saumitri. Sumitrayaha apatyam puman. So Tadita Pratyaya, the son of Sumitra. Sa Sainyaha. Sainyena saha vartate. He who is along with the army or accompanied by the army. It is a Bahuvrihi Samasa. Ashramalaihi. Ashramaha alayaha yesham taihi. They whose residence is the ashrama, that is living in the forest huts. Ityartha. Sasaumitrehe. The sa always indicates accompanied by. So Saumitrena saha vartate iti. Rama is Sasaumitri with Lakshmana. Bharata is Sasainya with the army. Udashruhu. Udgatani ashruni yasya saha. So the tears came out. Udgata is coming out without any control. Okay. Udashru is again a Visheshana to Bharata. Vasatehe drumaha, vasati drumaha. Druma is trees. Vasati is residence. Okay. So there are many words for Sena. Dhvajini, Vahini, Sena, Prutana, Anikini, Chamuhu, Varuthini. All are Strilinga words. Balam, Sainyam, Chakram are Napumsakalinga words. Anikam, Astriyam. So not Strilinga means both Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, Anikaha or Anikam. All these words mean the army. So we will stop here. Sasainyashchanmagadramam darshitanashramalaihi tasya pashyan sasaumitrehe udashrurvasati druman. So I will take the questions now, but before that we have a special announcement. I'm very sorry, Rajlakshmi Bhagini. I could not stop in between the shloka. Vagartha viva sampraktau vagartha pratipattaye jagatah pitarau vande parvati parameshwarau vandamahe mahoddandadordandau raghunandanau tejo nirjitamartanda mandalau lokanandanau.